Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how to restore your Trust Wallet using your Trust Wallet seed phrase. And I'm going to do this using the Trust Wallet Chrome extension. And you can as well follow the same exact tutorial and steps if you're using the Trust Wallet mobile applications. If you want to learn how to install this Trust Wallet Chrome extension, make sure you watch this video above the screen right now. So let's get started. I've already installed and opened the Trust Wallet Chrome extension as you can see on my screen. Now I'm going to click on this checkbox right here to agree to their terms and conditions, and you can see I now have two options to select from. I have this one that says I already have a wallet and the other one to create a new wallet. Since I already have a wallet, I want to recover my wallet using my wallet phrase. I'm going to click on the first option which says I already have a wallet, so I click on that. Now this is a security option for you to secure the wallet for this particular PC, so no other person that gets this PC can have access to this extension and also have access to your wallet. And I'm going to enter the password for this particular device, and then I'll click on continue. And of course I have a Trust Wallet. I want to restore the Trust Wallet. I'm going to select the Trust Wallet mobile. And here you can see two options, either to import with QR code from the mobile, or you can choose the import with secret phrase or private key, which we are going to use in this video. For the mobile, that's if you have access to the mobile device where the wallet is already logged into, but you cannot use that if you don't have the mobile or access to the mobile device anymore. In that case, you'll be needing to use the second option, which is to import the secret phrase or the private key. So I'm going to click on that. And here you have an option to enter the name. The name will only exist for this particular device. The second field is where you are going to enter the secret phrase or the private key. And let me go ahead and enter that. And here it is for my wallet. I have 12 secret phrase. If you have the 24, you can still go ahead and enter the 24. And then I'm going to click on import. So it says importing. So let's go ahead and check. Okay guys, now you can see it says brilliant, your wallet is ready. That means the importing is successful and completed. Okay, so now you can see this button that says open my wallet. I'm gonna click on that, and right here you can see that our Trust Wallet has been logged into the Trust Wallet Chrome extension. And if you don't see your funds pop up immediately, you just have to give it some time for it to refresh. As you can see here, it's refreshing. Okay, so you just need to allow some time for all your coins to pop up, and then you are going to see exactly what you have in your wallet. So that's the end of the video. If you like it, please give it a thumbs up. If you have any question as well about Trust Wallet, about crypto wallet or whatever, leave it in the comment section. And if you're new to my YouTube channel, please hit the subscribe button. I'll see you in the next one.